How to fix CrossOver for Mac not uninstalling. Here's a script file to uninstall CrossOver for Mac, #bin/bash #stop the CrossOver application if it is running if grep CrossOver/dev/null then echo stopping CrossOver. Killall CrossOver sleep 2fi #uninstall CrossOver echo uninstalling CrossOver. Sudo rmrf/application/CrossOver.app sudo rmrf/library/application support /CrossOver sudo rmrf/library/preferences/com.codeweavers.CrossOver.plist. Sudo rmrf/library/receipt/CrossOver.package sudo rmrf/library/LaunchAgents/com.codeweavers. Echo CrossOver has been uninstalled. This script will first check if the CrossOver application is running and stop it if it is. It will then proceed to uninstall CrossOver by removing its application bundle, support files, preferences, receipts, and LaunchAgents. To use this script, follow these steps. Open a text editor on your Mac, such as TextEdit or BDEdit. Copy and paste the above script into the text editor. Save the file with a .sh extension, for example, uninstall_crossover.sh. Open Terminal on your Mac. Navigate to the directory where you saved the uninstall_crossover.sh file using the cd command. Run the command mod +x uninstall_crossover.sh to make the script executable. Run the script by typing /uninstall_crossover.sh in terminal and hitting enter. This will execute the script and uninstall CrossOver from your Mac. Please note that this process is irreversible, so make sure that you before running the script. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.